A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar, class Senior KG, subject English. Now take out your book of I Love Cursive Writing and open the page number 26. This is the lecture number 25. Today we are going to read the phrases and we also write. आज हम क्या करेंगे चिल्ड्रन? phrases को read करेंगे and write करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Now see here, you have to write and read with me. Read with me. H and write H A T hat. HAT hat. O and on. B A T BAT bat. Again read with me. Hat on bat. Write with me. H A T hat. O and on. B A T BAT bat. Again read with me. HAT hat. O and on. BAT bat. Now come on the next. And speak with me. A P nap. O and on. L A P lap. LAP lap. Nap on lap. Now again write with me with a very neat and clean writing. And A P nap. O and on. L A P lap. Again speak with me. And A P nap. O and on. LAP lap. Nap on lap. Now come on the next. See here. C A R car. CAR car. I as is. F A R far. Car is far. Again write with me. C R, car. IS is FAR, far. Car is far. Now come on the next. C A P, cap. CAP, cap. O and on. T A P, tap. Again, C A P, cap. O and on. T A P, tap. CAP, cap. O and on. TAP, tap. Cap on tap. Very good. Now come on the next. A M A N, man. A man. R A N, rain. A man, rain. A M A N, man. R A N, ran. A man ran. Very good. Now come on the next. A F A T, fat. R A T, rat. A fat rat. Again, a F A T, fat. R A T, rat. A fat, FAT, fat. Rat, RAT, rat. Very good. Again speak with me. A fat rat. Now come on the next. P A T, pat. T H E, the. C A T, cat. Pat the cat. Again, write with me. P A T, pat. Very good. T H E, the. C A T, cat. P A T, pat. T H E, the. C-A-T, cat. Again, speak with me. Pat the cat. Again, come on the next. R-A-M, ram. O-N, on. D-A-M, dam. Ram on dam. Come on the next. T-A-G, tag. T-H-E, the. Speak with me. The. B-A-G, bag. Tag the bag. Again, speak with me. Tag the bag. Now we will read again from the first. Come on the first phrase. Hat on bat. Speak with me. Nap on lap. Car is far. Cap on tap. A man ran. Again, speak with me. A fat rat. Pat the cat. Very good. Now come on the next. Ram on dam. Tag the bag. Very good. Now what you have to do in homework, you have to write in neat and clean writing in the cursive writing book on the page number 26. Then click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay children, what you have to do, आपको क्या करना है होमवर्क में 26 पेज नंबर पर आपको फ्रेजेस राइट करना है, रीड भी करना है, देन आपको पे क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.